There's my bike. I'm on the way to the Isle of Cambrae, and I'm going to cycle around the Isle of Cambrae today, which is about 10 miles. So I'm just about to arrive. Okay, so I've just arrived at that's Largs over there, at the Isle of Cambrae. I think I've said it right. That's my bike, and that is the sign which says welcome to the Isle of Cambrae, obviously. Okay, there's the ferry going back to Largs. So it's 10 miles around the island, and there's a town called Milliport which I'm going to stop, which is halfway around the island, so I might stop there and have a drink or something. Okay, this is Millport, which is the biggest town, well, the only town in the Isle of Cambrae. It's not too much to film here, but I thought I might as well film something. Okay, so I'm going to head back now to to catch the ferry, which is about 5 miles away. Okay, here's the ferry. I spy with my little eye something beginning with S. There's my bike. The bike ride is completed. Approaching the town of Largs now, so yeah, the bike ride was very enjoyable, very flat, it wasn't very challenging, but the highlight of the trip for me has been the ferry ride now. Okay, that's the Isle of Cambrae, which I've just cycled round, and now we have arrived in Largs. And my bike is on the other side of the vehicle or boat or ferry, whatever you want to call it, really. Falcha is welcome in Scottish Gaelic. Just pushing the bike off the boat now and getting onto the town of Largs. Okay. Right, I'm going to finish the video now. I just want to say thanks for watching my first ever visit to the Isle of Cambrae. Okay, thank you. What on tang, as they say in Scottish Gaelic.